Tired of manually updating Salesforce with Jira changes? In this fast-paced tutorial, we'll explore how to automatically post Jira comments to Salesforce using Pabbly Connect, streamlining your workflow for efficient communication. First, head over to Pabbly Connect and log in or create a free account. You'll find it's your central hub for integrations. Clicking on Create Workflow. Now, name your workflow something memorable, like Jira to Salesforce Common Sync to keep things organized. This will help you find it later. Click Create Workflow. Next, let's set up your trigger. This is the event that kicks off the automation. Search for and select Jira. Then choose the trigger event. Select New Comment Created. You'll need to connect your Jira account. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize Pabbly Connect to access your Jira data. Configure your trigger by selecting a Jira project and issue type. This tells Pabbly Connect which Jira comments to look for and respond to. Time to set up the action step. Search for and select Salesforce, then choose the Create Comment action. Just as you did with Jira, connect your Salesforce account. Authorize Pabbly Connect. Make sure you are already logged in. This is key. Map the Jira comment data to the corresponding Salesforce fields. For example, map the Jira comments content to the Salesforce comments body using dynamic data mapping, so all your data is included. Then click on Save and Send Test Request. Review the test result to make sure that the data is properly transferred and you are getting a 200 status. That means that it was successfully transferred. Don't skip reviewing your results. Finally, toggle your workflow on to activate it. Now, every time a new comment is added in Jira, it'll automatically post as a comment in Salesforce. You have successfully set up your integration now. Experience seamless communication between Jira and Salesforce like this video. If you found it helpful, and reach out to Pabbly with any questions. #JIRA Salesforce #automation.